Itong nilalabas ni Ana Basa, 30 years ng problema ng pamilya yan, away nila yan, wala akong pakialam dyan.
Ayan ang, in that, I do not really say that, anong pinag-aawayan namin, masasaya nga kami eh, sila lang humibol eh.
Kagabi po, kung nanood po kayo ulit ng TV Patrol, hindi po ba, nandun po si Chief Justice Corona, he mentioned like, gustong, and if I may quote, gustong-gusto po namin na humarap si Sister Flory Basa sa impeachment trial. What's your reaction to that?
First, hindi ko alam. Am I allowed kaya by the congregation to appear there sa impeachment? If, for the sake of the country, because truth must come out and justice must come out. Now, if, of course, charity will always come there in the middle. Pero ang inaano ko lang, na if, kung mangyari nga na, he does not resign, and then he will continue, that parang walang alam natin kung ano, what will the future be. Ang inaano ko lang, if he has been doing these things to our little family, is it right that we will give him the opportunity to do it for the country? We need somebody who will be more straight, who will do the right thing, who is, for me, somebody who will have, I cannot say selfish motives, but to have a real concern for the people.
Abangan po bukas ang ilang pang mga